Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Morningstar app for fund research and ratings, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the Morningstar app for fund research and ratings, begin by unlocking your mobile device. Navigate to the App Store specific to your device. If you are using an iPhone, open the App Store. For Android users, locate and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type Morningstar. Press the search button or icon to begin the search. You will see a list of results related to your search term. Look for the Morningstar app, which features the Morningstar logo. Tap on the app to open its detail page. Check the app's ratings and reviews to ensure it meets your needs. Once you are ready, find the Install button. Tap the Install button to initiate the download process. The app will begin downloading to your device. After the download is complete, the Install button will change to Open. You may also find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on the Open button to launch the Morningstar app. Upon opening the app for the first time, you may be prompted to accept terms and conditions. Read through the terms and then tap Agree to proceed. If prompted, allow the app necessary permissions to enhance your experience. You may need to create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to either sign up or enter your login credentials. Once logged in, you can begin accessing fund research and ratings. Explore the various features available to make the most out of the app. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the layout and tools offered. Now you are ready to start your investment research with the Morningstar app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.